Hi, this is Deborah Harris and I'm bringing to you a cash flow tip about price. Price is one of the 7 cash flow levers and it's the one that helps you generate your revenue that comes into the business. It works alongside volume to help you generate your revenue, and it also helps you determine how much profit and cash flow you're going to have in your business. So it's important to get your pricing strategy right. And my tip of the day about your price is to convey a sense of scarcity or urgency to actually prompt the purchaser to make the purchase. So when you put a call to action, for example, here's this cash flow tip. You can have a great series of these cash flow tips if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, or my call to action might be if you want me to do a cash flow strategy session for your business where I can tell you exactly which levers you need to pull and push to give you the best use of your cash flow, then contact me on hello@decisionsplusstrategic.com and we'll run your numbers through our Power of One and tell you exactly which ones will give you the best return on your investment. So it's about conveying a sense of scarcity or urgency. It's about making the person want to take a call to action and move forward with it. So it's about prompting a purchase. So that's been my cash flow tip of the day about price.